A new poll from the New York Times says 44% say a terror attack is very likely to happen in the next few months. Fears over terror haven't been this high since the weeks following the September 11th attacks. Dr. Siegel says all that fear could be hazardous to your health, and he joins us now. But, Doctor, I would say to you, it's hard not to be fearful. How do you stop it from causing problems to your health?
First, Ashley, we have to understand what it is. Fear drives perception. Now, in the business world, you understand that fear drives the markets,
sure.
Right? Social scientists don't buy that. They say it's all about risk assessment. You look at the environment and you think, what is the chances? What is the danger? But we're not cool thinkers. The center of our brain has an organ that drives fear, the amygdala, and that changes perception. So if you're on a plane and you're over 30,000 feet, and you're not in charge of the plane, and you feel turbulence, you're sure you're going to crash. Meanwhile...
Yeah, that part of the brain is going crazy.
Meanwhile, there were 761 crashes last year, but people died in planes, and 1.3 million people died in car wrecks. But you feel much more confident in a car wreck because fear is driving you on that plane. Similarly, when you see a terrorist attack, like in San Bernardino or in Paris, you think it's going to happen in my supermarket. It's going to happen in my gathering. The chances are extremely low, but you can't convince yourself of that. So what do? What you do is you need fear guides. You need somebody to comfort you, somebody to give you courage, because courage goes through the same place in the brain as fear. So does love, so does laughter, so does happiness. If you can laugh at yourself, you may break that cycle of worry. Someone like President Bush, who stood up on that car with a bullhorn and said, you know, the people who knock down these buildings will hear all of us soon, and then he backed it up. That was a leader
Comfort
of courage.
in leadership.
Of leadership and courage. Now, our President Obama, who says, let's not forget that freedom is more powerful than fear, is a strong slogan, but nothing backing it up. No change in policies. Nothing.
Doesn't make me feel better.
We can't rally behind it.
What can it do to your health quickly, Doctor? How can it manifest itself in your health, in your body?
Ashley, I call it like riding a car at 100 miles an hour. Your heart rate goes up, your blood pressure goes up, you start to worry. The worry feeds on itself. You're not sleeping properly. So I tell people, exercise, get that laughter, get that love, get those leaders. You know, break the cycle of worry. The best thing you can do during a time like this is actually to have your regular night's sleep, something simple like that. Watch us on TV. Watch the images, but don't obsess on them.
Did you
watch
say
it
love
24.
said we should be having more sex? Is that what you're saying?
Well, that's not bad, too. Sex goes through the same part of the brain, too. Replace that fear with sex.
Oh, we're getting to it.
Listen, replace that fear with sex.
Simple
and with laughter and with love.
See, we're laughing here.
That's good. We're already feeling better. We're better. Dr. Siegel.
We're beating it.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you, Liz, for that.
Sorry about that.